Hi guys, so today we are going to go into Unit 3 Wild Weather, where our lesson will be on reading a news report. So you can refer to your Pulse 2 page 31 before you go into this lesson. Okay, if you are ready, then let's move on. Okay, so now my question is, which types of weather do you like and why? So you can pause the video for 30 seconds to decide. Once you are done deciding, you can resume the video. Okay, now let's move on to exercise 1. Look at the pictures. What do you think happened to the girl? Once you have some idea, let's read, listen and check.
Unit 3. Reading. A news report. Exercise 1. Saved by an MP3 player. Sophie Frost, a schoolgirl from England, felt very lucky when her grandmother gave her an MP3 player as a present. She didn't know just how lucky she was, however. When an unexpected accident happened a few days later, the MP3 player probably saved her life. 14-year-old Sophie was going for a walk with her boyfriend, Mason Billington, when it started raining. The young couple took shelter from the rain under a tree and were sitting together when lightning struck. The lightning hit them both and they lost consciousness. Then Mason woke up and carried Sophie to the nearest road in order to get help. A car stopped and took them to hospital. Sophie had some burns on her chest and legs. She also had some damage to her eyes and ears, but fortunately she quickly recovered. How did Sophie's MP3 player prevent her from having serious injuries? When the accident happened, she wasn't listening to music on the player, but was wearing it around her neck. Doctors believe that the lightning travelled through the wire of the MP3 player instead of through Sophie's body. Even though she was lucky this time, one thing's for sure. The next time there's a storm, she and her boyfriend won't sit underneath a tree. Did you know? Lightning can travel at 150,000 kilometers per second.
Okay, with that now you should be able to get the gist of the text. Okay, so literally Sophie Frost got saved by an MP3 player. Okay, once you are done understanding the text, let's move on to exercise 2. What you need to do is to read through the 5 events carefully. It started raining, Sophie went to hospital, Sophie and her friend went for a walk, Sophie's grandmother gave her a present, and an accident happened. So what you're going to do is you have to read the report again and put the events in the correct order. Okay, pause the video, alright, till you have noted down all the answers. Okay, so now let's go through the answers. Let's discuss. So what are the correct order? First, Sophie's grandmother gave her a present. Then, Sophie and a friend went for a walk. It started raining. And then an accident happened. And lastly, Sophie went to hospital. I hope you can get all right. If not, it's okay. Let's move on to the next exercise. Okay, so let's move on to exercise 3. So this is a comprehension question. So read through the question before you can find the answers. Now, what did Sophie's grandma give her? Where were Sophie and her friend when lightning struck? How did Sophie go to hospital? Where was Sophie hurt? Where was Sophie's MP3 player when the accident happened? And what part of the MP3 player did the lightning go through? Now look into the text and find the answers to the question above. Okay, make sure you pause the video till you note down all answers. Do not cheat. Once you are done with all the questions, you can resume the video to check. Pause the video. Okay, now let's discuss. So the first question, Sophie's grandma gave her an MP3 player. Sophie and a friend were under a tree when the lightning struck. How did Sophie go to hospital? She went by a car. Sophie was hurt in her chest, legs, eyes and ears. And then Sophie's MP3 player was around her neck when the accident happened. And the part of the MP3 player is the wire that the lightning go through. Okay? Okay, let's move on to exercise 4. This is a much general question where you talk through your experience. Now, have you ever been in a very bad storm? Like a very bad rain maybe, because in Malaysia we go through rainy season. Or maybe any other bad weather. And tell what happened. You can write the answers or your experience in your exercise book. Okay? Okay, so with that said, we are done for today's lesson. I hope you can improve your reading skills through this lesson. And that's all. Thank you for watching. Bye-bye.